Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video we got a 2016 GMC Terrain SLT 2-wheel drive V6, and we're gonna be doing the thermostat on it. Got our coolant thermostat. It's from AutoZone. They give you a gasket, but that's like paper. I don't like that. Gonna have to use that to install the new one. That's how it looks. Alright, and that's that gasket we're using, because I don't like the paper one. Alright, so it's on this side of the motor. Right down there. So I'm gonna get to it, man. We gotta take off some things. Show you how. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Now you want to drain the coolant out, and you can catch that with the pan as well. So we're gonna have to get this little plastic piece off. It's got some clips. I'm gonna get this all off of here. Get this little cushion out of there. It's a bolt right here. Go all down there, so we're gonna pull this out. Alright, get down here. Alright, there we go. We got the thermostat right there. 1, 2, 3, like 3 bolts. We're gonna hit those. Got those 3 bolts out. See that gasket.
A few moments later.
Man, I ended up getting it in this position without taking these hose clamps off. Those gonna be a bitch if you get those off. So here we are. That's what I'm working with. So these little tabs, I have to push them down on both sides with that little that piece that you got with the new that thing there. Push down on it and that'll release, pop out. I'm gonna take that gasket off, put the new one on. I'm gonna try to work with it like this, man. I'm not playing. So we're gonna push down on this, get that over there, pop that up. So I can't really show you, I don't think. I need both hands. But yeah, like that. Push down on it. Got it out. Just like that. Pushed and twist. Came right out. Now we're going right back in. Well, actually we're gonna take that gasket off. Now we could reuse this. Really could, but we're using our new one, so let's get it up in there. That's hard too. See that? Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and put that in the same way. Push and twist. Just like that. And that was easy. Got that guy in there. Both sides. I'm gonna put the gasket on it. Gasket on. In position. And when we put it on, I'm gonna make sure I put those bolts through the holes. Something like that. See how I got all the bolts in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and line that up down there. Finger tight. Thread them in. Alright, man. Got it in there. Finger tight. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, just like that, we back in there. Now we're gonna top it off. It's our coolant reservoir. This is the coolant we're using. So we're gonna start it up, turn on that heat, watch for leaks. Not sure what's going on here. We just topped it off. They didn't do that. That's all I did right there. I didn't drop anything below, so something wet down here. Well, this coolant reservoir is good. So the fan just kicked on. So that's good. Yeah, it went low. I poured some more in it, some water, and it's starting to leak again. So might be something going on with this coolant reservoir. That's the code. We're gonna erase that. So you just want to rev it up while you got that heat on, and wait for it to cool, to heat up. And once that heats up, then you know you're good. You can go ahead and ride it around, and that coolant level might drop a little. You can add some more, but that's gonna be it, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.